Bynta HaKa Sngi arpu prator ko rempang arajar arpu sau lapen ko noi HaKa Sngi bakhadu jongka annual sports meet jong snem arajar arpu sau jongka Skul St. Joseph Higher Secondary School Umden ya ka balawan bensaki HaKa Sngi da USP ka Nongpo Police Station usar P Marweng ubalong kumukongsan HaKa Sngi layadon langro principal jongka Nong Tlu Higher Secondary School D1 uparish Priest jongka parish Umden ufada Michael Kongan ufada MC Thomas ki sister na ki konben beper nang tade principal jongka Skul St. Joseph ufada Joachim Eka lambat kiwe ki nong hikai jongka neka school. HaKa Sngi laya Shim Bynta ki Khynnah pule jongka neka school nadu ki kelas nursery hadu ki kelas 12 HaKa baki laya le bani Shim Bynta haki kunhun beper kata ka blue house, ka yellow house, ka green house, bat ka red house. Na ki kenhun beper ki balai Shim Bynta kum ha ka march pass, ka march drill, ki jing mare thong, ka jing tan telai, ka jing pen mare ki kaliding, ki jing mare relay race, bat ki wei de. La IT ru da ki khus nam shaki nong job jang ki nong ele kai beper kum ka best house discipline, ka best march pass, ka best march drill bat ka best house jong usnam hajar pusau haba ajing kren nakaliang usa P Marweng ula kentu ki Khynnah pule jong ka ne ka slam ajing hikai balada ki Khynnah Skul ki yaine HaKa Jingialehkai ka penmentoy ki shibun namar HaKa Meghalaya game ka baladep ru ki don shibun ki Khynnah nakane ka dong ka Thany Riboy district ki balayo ki medal jingjob shushu ula benrap ru ka Jingialehkai sport ong ka aka ba pensting ki jingmut jing prakhat jong ki Khynnah Skul khamtam na ka Bynta ki kelas 10 bat ki kelas 12 ki bansa yele ya ka exam ka jongki.
First we have from the green house, second from the yellow house, and third from the blue house. Thank you, participants.
First place we have from the green house. Not from the blue.
As compared to other school, I came to know that I think this is the highest student in this area. And I also came to know that for class 10 and class 12, around 119 for class 12 and 103 for class 10 will be appearing for class 10 and class 12 in this year. So that is a huge number, and that is also only for arts stream. Just imagine if this school have other stream also, then it will cater to a lot of students. I mean, they don't have to go to other schools like in Nongpo. So, I believe the parents also, they are very happy with the function of the school, how the teachers, how the principal, how the faculty members have been able to raise the standard of the school. And I also believe, like what the principal sir was telling, that last year your school became the first in sport in Riboy district. So I believe that because last time also when I attended another function, I came to know that in Meghalaya games, so many students from this part of the district only, they have brought a lot of medals. But kumbanitip ba nagatem Riboy shibun ki sportman kimi lagaday HaKa football ne, lagaday HaKa cricket ne, lagaday hakino ki sport events niyi babon ki Khynnah samla kentay ba chendrang kidai kiba nak temri boy. What HaKa Police Department jangi ru namar ma dapikwa ban join HaKa Police Force ni hak ban ye mare. Tebuhun kidai hi nak kitain ki boy nasa tain umdan hi kiba kamyo ke kampulit namar le yu baki hak ban ye mare ba kilong bet kinong jok HaKa jangi mare thong. Nata katau kini ka jing participate HaKa sport kawan ra shibun ke jing mentoy HaKa jing em jongfi individually ru bat kumjo ru kawan ra HaKa kot kakya HaKa babun kibriyo ki hakban fini hakisar babun ba ndek tang shlong wat ki state su kibriyo ki hakban ki dang step makin ya penkilan met ban hakban mare makin kot kin kya hendrei hang ni kisnong jongfi nimdan kam bangin dale haru kata hendrei tang ban participate haki sport event haki school jongfi ru kalapen long ye fi ba fin long ki bakot bakya tang HaKa mek ka ru dei hendrei ka pen long ye fi ba fin yo ru ki jingot zubkhat ki ba kham khuoi kham suba namar ba fi long fresh HaKa main jongfi kham tam menta lajande ata kapor exam yakini ki ba appear class 10 class 12 tinangai scam bakani ka break nak menta jo kani ka jing yaminat jongfi pro system menta sho ba fin appear kini exam kani ka jing don yakini ka sport event kalong kum ka break kaban pin fresh ya main jongfi tunjuru ya kini kai kibai kai ki school kiyo yakini ka break ka balong very important HaKa ba kinyo ban ya relax kin dia but nangit scam ba da kani ka jing don jo kani ka annual sport meet kani rap ya fi ba fin nang kham prepare ha sisu nam ta ka exam jongfi.
The best discipline house goes to? What are the houses? Green house, blue house, blue house, green house, or red house? Goes to? Red house! Red house once again. Including the amount to be in their own tent. Which house got the best house? Please. Huh? What is GREEN?